friends! Welcome back to Toddlers Art Hub. Today, we are going to draw a beautiful rainbow flower. Are you ready?
Yay!
Let's start! Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. Let's start by drawing a circle right in the middle of the page. This will be the center of our flower. Now, let's draw 6 petals all around the circle. Each petal is big and comes to a point at the end. And look! The petals touch and overlap each other a little bit. That makes our flower look more natural. Great job! Now, inside each petal, let's add some curved lines to decorate and make them look pretty. Whoa! Nice job, everyone! Our drawing is complete. Now let's go over the lines again to make the outline bold and sharp. This will make the artwork pop. Looking awesome, isn't it? Now it's time to color. Here are my color pens. Today we will use rainbow colors. For the center, let's use cream color.
Wow!
One petal with red color. Next petal, orange color. Then a yellow color petal. A green color petal. A blue color petal. And finally, a purple color petal.
La da 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 dee.
Wow! Our flower is shining in all the rainbow colors. Awesome work, friends! You did an amazing job drawing and coloring your rainbow flower. Don't forget to show your drawing to your family. And if you like drawing with us, click the like button and subscribe to Toddlers Art Hub for more fun drawings. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.